The rush, the noise, the year gone by. In simple thanks, we open our eyes to moments small yet deeply dear, to loved ones far, to loved ones near. With grateful hearts, we speak and sing, and feel the warmth Thanksgiving brings.
My brother and sister are best the ones I get around for.
I look forward to being in the kitchen with everyone and learning the recipes that have been passed down through generations.
Family is so important to me. After the hurricane swept 5 feet of water into my house, I looked at all the floating pictures and memories, and all I could remember thinking was how thankful I was that all of us were here together.
So let us be conscious and smart enough to appreciate the well-dressed shine that radiates here, now, everywhere, at all moments. Let us be thankful for those rays of light that brighten our lives. Thank you.